I come from Kenya, western part in a county, Uasin Gishu, city, Eldoret. My son, Amos, was diagnosed with a complex condition of the heart, congenital heart defect in Kenya.
Child actually had a problem which was quite rare. So what was happening was the child was having a univentricular heart. That means practically there is going to be a single chamber, and there was a narrowing of the main artery just below the vein artery, and also distal to the main artery as it takes the blood all throughout the heart. The problem was really complex. The, most of the time these kids would present quite early, and what we will do is something like Norwood stage 1. That means we try to protect the lungs by doing a band. That means the lungs become protected because lungs do not require a very high flow like this child was getting, and we tend to maintain the flow to whole of the body by a single vessel.
There were two big holes both in the upper and the lower part of the heart. So what this was doing is that the blood was being mixed within the heart, and because of which he had the blueness. What actually added to the complexity of the case was that the main blood vessels were coming from the opposite ventricles than what they should normally do. And it was also associated with a severe narrowing of the aorta, which is the main blood vessel carrying blood to the whole body. So what was happening is that the blood to the lower half of the body was actually being supplied from the lung arteries with a connection which is known as a PDA. Now, this is not tenable with life. What this does is that the lung pressures tend to become very, very high. And this kind of a defect, where only parts of the heart are made, are generally treated along a Fontan pathway. And one of the prerequisites for this Fontan pathway is that the lung pressures should be normal.
We could accomplish the same task which was done in a small baby on a pump without a pump, bending the distal pulmonary arteries and stenting the main pulmonary artery.
After the surgery, they told us the surgery went on smoothly. So I want to thank Dr. Niraj Awasthi. I want to thank Max Healthcare, Super Specialty Hospital. I want to thank the entire team. Please, God bless you. Continue doing the good work that you are doing. God will bless you.